Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
This is a test. This is an emergency alert system. Emergency alert system that National Philippines has issued a hate warning to Philippines to Korea to USA at World Please Stand. By TV Television News Philippines and CBS GTV ABS CBN. And it is EGM
next month ago.
This is not a test, the National Emergency Alert System. Emergency Alert System, the National of the Philippines. The Roblox has a Brookhaven face on scary night wearing for the 3 a.m. or 12 a.m. for scary pictures on face or moon. On the TikTok or YouTubers on that right, that bequays not for kids or teens or adults from Brookhaven. Don't play that Brookhaven on scary pictures, not look at that. Thanks for Emergency Alert System, the National of the Philippines. Hello? We have to emergency alert. The bequays Brookhaven has glitch on C4. On that right. Thanks for the emergency alert system on National of that Philippines.